Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing yet another simple fried rice recipe. This quick and easy vegan meal is delicious, healthy and budget friendly. I heat some oil and saute the onions for a minute, then I add the capsicums and stir for another minute. I now add the tomatoes, peas and cabbage, followed by the spices and seasoning. Please find everything I've used here and all the quantities in the description. I stir to combine, adding a little water as needed, and cover this for a minute or two. At this point, I adjust salt to taste and add the leftover rice. I continue mixing until everything comes together. Just like that, our fried rice is ready. It's so simple yet very flavorful. Please like, comment and share this video and subscribe for simple recipes. Thanks for watching and bye for now.